Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi. And can you see something new in this video? Yeah, this. Like I'm so excited. Like I always wanted to get a mic, but मैं समझ नहीं पा रही थी कौन सा अच्छा है. Now finally I figured it out, and I am loving this. Like I was so excited to film this video as well. Okay, so lots of build up. So in this video, I'm going to try out my new makeup products. So these are the makeup products that I have with me right now, and few of them are from last Nika sale, and few of them are from last to last Nika sale. That was like Nykaa Pink Love sale and then Nykaa Pink Summer sale. Okay, so these two sales. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये वीडियो मुझे बना लेनी चाहिए इससे पहले और भी न्यू मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे पास आ जाए बिकॉज एज यू गाइज नो नायका हॉट पिंक सेल इज गोइंग ऑन एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो ऑर्डर फ्यू स्टफ फ्रॉम नायका हॉट पिंक सेल एज वेल. Like this time I really spend it. I can't say spend it, I have splurged money. This time I have invested in some good makeup products, and this time I have bought lots and lots of lipsticks and lip glosses. Okay, so we will talk about it later, but first we should get in this video. So I'm just going to give you all my first impression, and to be very honest, there are a few products that I have used it earlier, but I just wanted to show this to you all. So yeah, let's just get into it. The very first thing that I have with me is this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Primer. ये launch हुआ था, तो इसके दो variant launch हुए थे. Okay, one was the dewy finish wala and another was matte. Okay, so this particular variant, like dewy smooth primer, was always out of stock for me. Like मैं जहाँ भी देख रही थी out of stock रहा था, and then फिर it just skipped off my mind and फिर मैंने नहीं लिया. But this time I saw it in a good discount, so let's get my hands on this. Like, okay, I think that would be enough. Like, is it too much of primer? It just looks like an cream, isn't it? Or I have applied too much of as a primer. Okay, let me. Okay, so looks like a cream sort of stuff for me. Okay, we'll just figure it out. It is like a moisturizer, like that hydrating moisturizer. Also, it just like blurs out your pores, and my skin is looking so dewy. Love it. Guys, I am already loving this one. Like, why I haven't tried this earlier? Like, it is for normal to dry skin as it is written, and it is primer with vitamin E. And you know what? Like, it has just smoothened my skin, and how, and it has also given a kind of glow to my skin. Like, you can clearly see. I'm loving it. Like, still, I also bought this Elf Halo Glow liquid filter. I have already tried this out, so I'm not going to try it in this video. I have also uploaded a shorts on it, so you might check that out. If I have to give review about it, yes, I love this product. Like, absolute favorite. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा है. Actually, I got this in last sale, so it was on buy one get one. So I got this Elf Halo Glow liquid filter, and with that, I also got this Elf hydrating concealer. You can clearly see I haven't opened it out till yet. Yeah, like seriously. Oh, I have really hard time opening this. Okay, we did it, guys. We did it. I'm in the shade medium beige. To be very honest, not that great fan of concealer, like any concealer, but we're gonna test this out. How is it? Um, yeah, nice. Should I blend it with my finger? Nice. Nice coverage. It just gives you like medium to sheer coverage. Like, I am not a concealer person at all, but I have something to say on this concealer. It is really nice concealer. Okay, like it has nicely blended into my skin, and it has given very natural finish. Like very hydrating. It doesn't crease. So love this, yeah. Like good for your no makeup look. And like I love this concealer. It has nicely blended into my skin, and it is also looking very hydrated, not cakey. First time ever in my life I am loving a concealer. Okay, it's a big statement to say. I love this one. Like, so far so good. Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. Again, I am not a good fan of Maybelline foundation because आपने हमेशा देखा होगा मेबलिन के फाउंडेशन मैट ही आते हैं, but this time they have said something like Lumi matte, so I was very excited to try this out. To be very honest, I get influenced by this product. Like, oh my god, the ad was all over my Instagram. So technically I just get influenced by this, and also I really want to try like what is this Lumi matte thing. Let me open this out. First of all, I'm loving the packaging. Nice packaging, okay. And also it is lavender, so that's my favorite color. But फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, okay. Now I'm just going to take one pump of it. So another thing that I love is that it has pump just, guys. Okay, so that's that, and it has such a like, what is this texture? Like, it has such a runny, and like, I don't know how to describe the texture. I don't know, but I just love the texture. Smell is not nice. It is smelling like वो हेम्योपैथिक की जो दवाइयाँ होती है ना, वैसा स्मेल कर रहा है. बट what is this texture? Like, I love the texture. First of all, I'm just going to use my foundation brush. Let me blend it out, okay. Let me blend it out pura. Yeah, better. I don't like this foundation. Okay, so I will let it sit into my skin for a while, and then I'm going to give some comment on it, because as of now I'm not loving it. Like, it is kind of dewy, but the next one is this Pack Sara Dewy Hydrating Mist. It is a collaboration with Sara Saroos and Pack Cosmetic, and Sara Saroos is my favorite YouTube creator, so I had to buy this, and I love this. Okay, I just love this mist. It's so hydrating. I'm just going to apply it all over my skin. It just feels so fresh and nice. And next thing what I like to do is, I usually do it with the blender, but I'm doing it with this pizza puff right now. I just remove all the excess, okay? Like, just all I have to do is to dab, dab, dab. I don't know, I'm not liking it. I don't like the application. I don't like the formula of it. कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है. I don't have like specific word about it. It's giving kind of glowy finish, but again, the formula is same as the older Maybelline foundation. And correct me if I'm wrong, but this is my own personal opinion, because पहले वाला भी जो मैंने Maybelline का foundation use किया था, I had the same issue with the texture. Like, पता नहीं मुझे नहीं सही लगता है यार, सच बताऊँ तो. And for the blush, I have this Pack X Sara Dewy liquid blush, and I'm the shade Turkish Delight. I have used this earlier. Where's that? So basically, I have used these two products earlier, and I am loving it. That, like, I have used it so many times since the day I have purchased it. So just going to use little bit. Yeah, that's it. गाइस मुझे समझ नहीं आता, लोग जो मेबलिन के फाउंडेशन का रिव्यू करते हैं, डू एक्चुअली लाइक इट, और just for the sake of ad they are saying like the ad of this foundation was so influencing. Like, I can't stop myself from purchasing it, and now I'm not liking it. Like, it's a reminder for you all that everything you see on internet is not good, okay. You don't need to get influenced in each and every product that any influencer is hyping about, okay. फाउंडेशन ट्रेंड में आया था तभी सबने इसके बारे में बात करी थी, okay. उसके बाद people stop talking about it, so that is a sign. Like, if a new product is launched and lots of influencers are talking about, just wait for like few months and then only purchase it. Like, if after that uska hype ekdam khatam ho jata hai and people stop talking about it, then that is a sign that that product is not good, okay. सच बताऊँ तो आई एम हैविंग अ लव एंड हेट रिलेशनशिप विद दिस फाउंडेशन, कभी कभी मुझे अपनी स्किन पे अच्छा लग रहा है, कभी कभी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. एंड नो, आई एम जस्ट कंपेयरिंग इट विथ माई के ब्यूटी फाउंडेशन. उसके कंपेयर में तो आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट, बट लाइक बेडेबल बोल सकती हूँ, मैं इसे बेयर कर सकती हूँ. सच बता तो आई माइट ट्राई इट 1 or 2 more टाइम, फिर बताऊंगी मैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ पाउडर एंड दिस इज Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. I have heard so many good reviews about it. Like, this is a really nice powder. Okay. Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. So cute and tiny. Love it. I like to use powder on everyday basis. Even on the days I don't wear makeup, I use powder because powder, like when you use your sunscreen, after some time it just makes your skin greasy. So it's always good to mattify your skin for the powder with powder, if that makes sense. Guys, this is very matte powder, okay? It will really mattify your skin. Okay. See, the foundation is also coming out. No, I don't love this foundation. Like, ये बाहर आ रहा है. You can clearly see that it's like transferring. Okay, so I love this powder. This is really good. Like, it has clearly mattified my skin. Like, you can clearly see my under eyes. Also, इसने बहुत ही अच्छे से मेरे under eyes set किया है, and you can clearly see. So I love this one. Like, मेरा blush glowy था अभी, बट जब जब मैंने पाउडर लगाया, इट हैज़ मैटिफाइड इट. सो लव दिस वन, लाइक गुड फॉर एवरीडे यूज. So in the last Nykaa sale, I bought this lip gloss set from Just Herb, and I guess it costed me around 300 or 400 something. Like, काफ़ी छोटा छोटा था. I don't remember the price. Okay, so it has 4 lip glosses, and we're gonna test this out. Like, okay, this is so tiny. Okay, we should like first check it. Oh my god, the shade is so pretty. And the applicator is also nice, okay. Love the shade, okay. It says peachy glow. This shade is called Glimmery Coca. Okay, so this is Glimmery Coca and this is Peachy Glow. Like, these are the 2 shades and we have 2 more, okay. This is in the shade Peony Pearl. I love the shade, okay. So this is more like pinkish shade. It is called Shiny Cluster. To be a clear shade, like you can see. Also, I have this pack Sweet Sensation lip cream, and I am the shade 24 Legit, and it is a very like lip cream kind of a texture. Consistency of lip cream, it is very moisturizing and very lightweight on your lips, but we're gonna use this lip gloss on my lips, and this is in the shade called Glimmery Coca. This is very close to the lip shade that I'm wearing right now. Okay, so let's just use it. Damn, this is giving me such a 90 vibes, and I have never worn something like this on my lips. I love this shade. I like to play very safe with my lip glosses or lip balm or lipstick because like I'm someone who loves like nude brown. I don't like bold lips. I don't like to play with colors when it comes to lipstick. Last but not the least, I have this L'Oreal Panorama mascara. The packaging is so cute, nice. I like the applicator of it. Like, this is so nice. And it is such a nice mascara. It just instantly, you will see the difference. Okay, I'm going to get closer. Okay, just see it. I haven't curled my lashes, okay, and see the difference. This is my natural lashes, and this is the effect that this mascara gave. Makes your eyes look bigger. It just gives you this effect in just one coat, okay. You don't need to go again and again, multiple coat of it. That's it, and now I just need to set it out. But before setting out, I have again something to say on this. Like it has been 30 minutes since I have applied this foundation, and now if I see it closely, guys, ये foundation बहुत ही अच्छे से मेरे skin में set हो गया है, and now I'm liking it. So again, as I said, I have love and hate relationship with this. Like if I have to rate this foundation, I will give it like a 6 out of 10, because again, as I said, it does transfer. Like when I was using my powder, like the foundation was coming out, so that's the one thing that I didn't like. I'm just going to set it all with this again Pack X Sara Dewy Hydrating Mist. Alright guys, so yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you all guys like this video, and out of all the products that I have tried, the only product that I'm very spectacle about it is this Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. Like I need to try it more. Like I have built a kind of love and hate relationship with this foundation, but we're gonna figure it out. To use it 2-3 more times, and then I'm going to give you all my proper review on this foundation. So yeah, that's that. And if I have to pick my favorite products out of this video, so that will be this primer. Love the primer, and also these lip glosses. These are so cute, like so cute. Like I'm going to make a proper reel on it and shorts on it, and gonna post it on my Instagram. Like all the lip swatches, like I am loving it. Yeah, that's that, and I hope you all guys like this video. If you really did, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and stay positive. Bye.